Today, my friends, you are in for a real treat. I'm going to be reviewing this Homeowner Pro professional pressure washer that's supposed to be equivalent or even better than a gas-powered pressure washer. Now, I spent over $300 on my gas-powered pressure washer, but this one only cost me $70 after taxes plus shipping. I don't know about you, but I've been getting so many different types of advertisements on this Homeowner Pro on my feed, and I just had to try it because it looked like the best thing since sliced bread. Now, when I first got it in the mail, I was expecting a professionally nice packaged box, but no, I got it in a bubble mailer in a plastic bag. Okay, it's been bubble wrapped, so at least it's protected. Doesn't really need any instructions, it's pretty straightforward. You just attach this wand. Expecting something a little bit more heavy duty since they mentioned that it's made from high quality, heavy grade material. Really plasticky, kind of cheap. Comes in another plastic baggie. And you have different hose attachments that's also made out of plastic, kind of like a quick disconnect type. There's a shoelace that came with it. Maybe I can replace my shoelaces. A little hose attachment. You put your soap in there, gotta twist it really good. That's about the best fit. It kind of reminds me of the British Sterling submachine gun. It looks like I'm getting ready for battle for my driveway. It sound and look cool, check it out. So now let's take a look at the manufacturer, which is Homeowner Pro, that they said that this thing can do with their advertisement that I've been seeing popping all over my feed. Actually, I'm gonna break it down to 3 different types that I've seen. So we're gonna figure out if this thing is sus or trust. Roll the tapes.
He walked to his truck, opened the toolbox in the bed, and pulled out something that looked like an oversized brass nozzle, maybe 10 inches long, solid metal.
Solid metal? This thing doesn't even look like it's brass. In fact, the tip is plastic that's been spray painted silver, and it's got a little chipping on it already.
Heavy in the hand, but not bulky.
I gotta admit, the way that he's holding his version, it looked very heavy. Super light, 1 pound. Definitely my 6-year-old can handle this.
He said,
"Screw this onto your garden hose and turn the water on."
I said,
yes, sir.
He said, "Just do it."
Bossy.
The stream that came out of that nozzle hit my patio concrete, and I watched a stripe of clean appear through 2 years of green mold.
It's like the version that he's holding gets bigger in size, not compared to this one I'm holding.
My brother-in-law was leaning against his truck with his arms crossed, grinning like an idiot.
I don't want to be nitpicking, but it looks like the brother changed his shorts, got a little buffer, and his truck changed. But I digressed.
I spent the next 45 minutes cleaning my entire back patio, all the furniture, the side of my shed, and half the fence. 45 minutes, no gas, no machine, no pull cord, no ear protection, no back pain.
Might have been a flashback when he was younger because he looked less buff on that one.
Just me and a garden hose with this brass thing screwed onto the end of it. When I was done, I walked over to him and said, "How much?" He said,
"I paid $50.
$50? I ended up paying $79.88 on that one. And it's under Kiro brand for some reason. What's crazy, when I was going on checkout, I automatically got charged for a mystery box Elite Club PPB. I don't even know what that was, but they charged me $33.99 on that one, which I couldn't back out for some reason. I gotta go talk to customer service on that one.
I said,
"For what, the attachment?"
He said,
For the whole thing. That's it. That's the entire product."
Okay, now let's roll a different advertisement video on this Homeowner Pro.
Each Homeowner Pro is precision machined
It looks like they're machining plastic with metal.
with aerospace grade compression components
Aerospace grade compression components?
that take time to manufacture properly. We can't rush German engineering now.
German engineering?
Recently scaled up our production to meet demand.
Those Homeowner Pro boxes, they look like the same size as the forklift.
Not only is this your chance to get the Homeowner Pro at the biggest discount we've ever offered, and we have over 12,000 5-star reviews.
Over 12,000 5-star reviews? Okay. For the benefit of the doubt, I'm gonna show you the very last ad video that they have on this product.
Look at this. You see that? That's 10 years of driveway grime coming off in a single pass from a garden hose.
Now that looks like definitely over 3,000 PSI just coming out from a garden hose.
The nozzle body is machined from solid brass,
This brass material, I do not see this brass material.
the same alloy grade used in commercial fire suppression valves designed to run under extreme pressure around the clock without ever failing. That focus stream is strong enough to lift embedded oil stains off concrete that have been soaking in for years.
What? That's it, I'm sold. That's it, I'm gonna go out there on my concrete deck that's been oil soaked for many years. I'm gonna see if this really works. Hey there friends, sorry to interrupt, but if you're finding this video super helpful so far, and if you're enjoying these type of videos, kindly hit that big thumbs up, subscribe. I'll greatly let me know to create more of these types of videos. That being said, let's get back to the video. All right, so here's my patio. A lot of stains on there. I got some oil stains on this area as well. It's the clean side it's supposed to look like. And by the way, if you're looking for a really nice pressure washer, affordable, good beginner pressure washer, great reviews on Amazon, by the way. This is my Westinghouse 3200 PSI. If you're interested on this same one, I'll leave the link on the description. Make it easy for those who are watching on the big screen. I'll leave a QR code right here. Just click on there, it'll take you directly to it. I'm gonna divide this patio into 3 sections. The pressure washer, the middle for the garden hose. And last but not least, we're gonna use the Hose Hawk Pro comparison with the 3. And from what they're saying, this should be as equivalent to a pressure washer. That's what I did with the 3200 pressure washer. I'm going to test it out against the garden hose. And last but not least, the Hose Hawk Pro. Now to make it a little bit more powerful, I'm going to set it into the jet setting. It did some work, but it wasn't able to take away all black spots. All right, for the moment of truth, test out the Hose Hawk Pro. We're gonna see if it's as good as the pressure washer or even better. Trust or bust. Actually gonna put safety glasses on because from what I saw in the advertisement, it looks like it's too powerful. I don't wanna risk injuring myself. I even put safety shoes, safety glasses. That's it. It's taking out the dirt. If this was super powerful with 3200 PSI, like that pressure washer, this should be dangerous, me doing this. But I wouldn't do that with a real pressure washer. This one, you can't. Maybe it's just adjusting the knob. Let's adjust the knob a little bit. As concentrated as I can get it. Yep, not that powerful. I mean, honestly, it's doing better than the garden hose compared to the pressure washer. See if it can equivalent to this. Let's try to blend it out. Definitely is stronger than a garden hose. I can't fully fault them, but their advertisement for this thing was way off the top. This patio deck to that fence, it's about 20 feet. So I'm very confident that my 6-year-old son can definitely operate this with no issue. I wouldn't let him operate a high pressure washer. But this one, it's like a garden hose. Let's see if he can even reach that fence. Alright, I mean, he's angling it pretty well. And it's reaching it, and that's angling it. Hose Hawk Pro, trust or sus? Definitely sus and a bust. If you're looking for an upgraded garden hose nozzle attachment, this is probably an upgrade to that. I'm not gonna lie. Spending $80 for something like this, given with all the attachment and whatnot, definitely not worth it in my honest opinion. You could get a garden hose nozzle attachment down at your hardware store or on Amazon for about 15 to 20 bucks. Now that I debunked everything and compare this with a pressure washer that's 3200 PSI, this probably only meets above probably 100 PSI because a regular house water pressure is at 80 PSI. There you go, friends. I bit the bullet. I bought $80 plus that $33 extra. So for lesson learning here, don't be fooled by every single ad that you see out there because there could be AI, like it's obvious that this one is AI. Let me know in the comment section down below what products you want me to test out. If you like these kind of version style videos where I review it and debunk things, let me know in the comment section down below what in the product next that you want me to make a video similar to something like this, or another product that you want me to debunk as well. Kindly hit that big thumbs up. It'll let me know that I will make more of this kind of videos. And let me know in the comment section down below if you have tried the Hose Hawk Pro. I'm kindly curious of what you think of this Hose Hawk Pro. again, if you're interested on any tools, including that pressure washer, the Westinghouse 3200 PSI, I love that thing. It's amazing. It's nice beginner pressure washer. I got it off of Amazon. Again, I'll leave all the tools that, and not this one. I won't definitely leave this on the, I won't recommend it. Not worth $80. So I'll leave those other ones like that pressure washer on the link on the description down below. And if you want those tools as well, I'll leave it on the QR code up here. If you found this video super helpful, friends, kindly hit that big thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.